Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well today and finding a little pocket of calm wherever you are. In this video, we're exploring something a bit unexpected, a quiet meeting between two worlds, the clean, serene lines of minimalism and the warm, imaginative charm of steampunk. Minimalism thrives on clarity, simplicity, and intention. Steampunk thrives on imagination, curiosity, and the quiet poetry of old machinery. And when these worlds meet, something unexpected happens. Your space becomes both light and grounded, modern yet timeless, a place where clean lines make room for stories, and industrial materials soften beneath warm light. In a minimalist apartment, color is a whisper, not a shout. So instead of bold steampunk hues, we bring in muted brass, brushed copper, soft charcoal, and aged leather. These tones warm up the crisp edges of minimalism while giving just enough industrial character to spark a mood. Steampunk isn't just about gears and gadgets. It's about texture. Cool metal against smooth concrete. Soft leather beside polished wood. Glass domes protecting vintage trinkets. These contrasts add narrative depth without cluttering the minimalist flow. Minimalism uses light to shape emotion. Steampunk uses light to shape atmosphere. Combine them, and your room instantly becomes cinematic. A simple Edison bulb, a sleek metal pendant, or a minimalist lamp with Victorian hints can transform your entire mood. You don't need giant gears on the wall to embrace the aesthetic. Sometimes a single brass clock, a mechanical sculpture, or a vintage instrument is enough to shift the whole room's energy. It's all about restraint, choosing pieces that feel meaningful, not overwhelming. In your workspace, steampunk feels right at home. A minimal desk paired with vintage tools, warm metal details, or old-world maps creates a creative zone that feels grounded, atmospheric, and intellectually warm. Every minimalist home has a quiet corner, but with a touch of steampunk, that corner becomes a world, an invitation to sit, read, dream, and get lost in the beauty of crafted objects made to last. Minimalism is about honesty in form. Steampunk is about honesty in function. So when you let mechanics show, whether it's exposed screws, visible joints, or open-frame furniture, you're celebrating the integrity of materials. It's industrial without being heavy, expressive without being chaotic. The kind of detail that rewards a closer look, yet still blends into a clean, modern space. One of the secrets to subtle steampunk styling is choosing modern materials that feel vintage without looking cluttered. Think matte black metal with warm undertones, reclaimed wood with a smooth minimalist finish, or frosted glass paired with brass hardware. These combinations create a look that feels both futuristic and nostalgic, the perfect blend of past and present. Steampunk is known for ornate detail, but in a minimalist apartment, you choose your ornaments carefully. Maybe it's a single vintage compass under a glass dome, or a framed blueprint hanging alone on a clean wall. These quiet, poetic objects create storytelling moments without disturbing the open, uncluttered flow. Minimalism often creates clarity, but it can feel cold if the story is missing. Steampunk fills that gap with warmth, history, and imagination. A place where a simple space begins to feel lived in, where modern surfaces hold echoes of craftsmanship, and where even the smallest object carries character. In the end, you're not decorating a room, you're setting a mood. A soft reminder that even in simplicity, there's room for imagination, for warmth, for the quiet hum of history meeting the present. If this style speaks to you, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more interior inspiration, and let me know in the comments which steampunk detail you'd add to your space. I'll see you in the next design story.